Hi guys, this is Nissan Pathfinder 2022 model, and it has 8-inch screen which is touch, and as you guys know there is no more options. There is no Apple CarPlay, no navigation, just a factory stock. And this car especially does not have a reverse camera, so we installed today Android interface. So you have to press this back button for 3 seconds and it will shift to Android system. So now you have Apple CarPlay plus Android system. So you have Netflix and application you can install. There is a Play Store, YouTube is there, then internal memory is 64 GB plus there is a video, so you can play while driving. You can play also videos here. Over here we install 3 USBs. You can install your media, video, Android, and it will work here. So before there was no camera, we install also camera here. So here's the camera. Even you can see the lines, you can move also with the steering, it will move. Thank you so much.